Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your predictions for the month of May 2021 and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in the month of May. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's get started with your reading now. I'm going to take one card for you from my deck, from my Moonology deck, and let's see what is the message for you for the month. Guidance messages from the universe. Please, cards, please tell me what is the messages for my Sagittarius for the month of May. One guidance message, please. Take time to breathe out. Okay, so it feels to me that you are in a place where you are not feeling very good. Might be anxiety issues are coming up, might be you are feeling very panicking because of this COVID and all that can be a reason as well. So you are not able to give yourself time, you are not taking enough sleep as well, you are not breathing in a very good way. That also can be a reason. You are thinking a lot. Overthinking causes health issues, so try to stop these things because of some past, because of the present, because of the future as well. You might be feeling a lot about the thinking about the future. Anxiety issues might be coming up, and that is why you are just thinking and thinking and thinking, and that is why overthinking is coming and you are panicking about it. Okay, I don't think that is the time for you to think a lot. Let me check one more card for you from my other deck, for my Sagittarius. Prosperity and abundance. So this is there, okay? Prosperity and abundance. It's such a beautiful card. This time, try to relax your mind and try to relax your soul, because you can do nothing of the situation from which you are going through. Things will happen the way they are meant to happen, so don't try to change it. Okay, just sit back and relax and just give yourself a little time, because you cannot change anything. Okay, let's get the tarot now. Okay, so I'm going to see your past, present and future energies in the reading. So let's see what is the past, present and future energies for my Sagittarius. Okay, past, present and future energies for my Sagittarius. Okay, Seven of Pentacles over here in your overall energy. Are you waiting for something? Because the energy feels like you are waiting, and from the past only you are waiting for something, because things went bad, really bad. Your past energies are Ten of Wands, the Tower and the Seven of Cups. You were confused, you were like exploring some other options, and that is why the things happened to be, the things destructed between you and some other person. You were confused between two people, might be you were overburdened by the responsibility as well. So things were like, when we think a lot, that is what I told you, that things will happen the way they are meant to happen. You cannot change anything. So why did you try to change in the past as well? It's looking to me that you were in a state where you were overburdened, you were feeling that you had a lot of responsibility, you had a lot of things, family, career, job, finances, everything, all the responsibilities over your head. So that is why you did something, or something happened, either you did or not, something happened which just created a lot of mess around you. The present energies are Two of Cups, Five of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, you are in a zone. See, the past things which are still affecting in your present is a relationship, a separation from a person, a separation from a family, a separation from two people, separation of something. Okay, it is still happening. Whatever happened in the past, whatever was that, I don't know, because it was not good. Family breakdown, a breakup, family issues, marriage problems, liking someone else. If you have someone else in front of you, still going towards something else, everything was destructed in the past, and the same things you are carrying. You might be apart from your family now, you might be apart from the person who used to love you. Okay, something like that, or you were the person who used to love someone, and that is why the things happened, like two people are not together anymore, I feel, because this was a soulmate connection, but separation is here. Yeah. In the coming future, 6 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups, and a King of Swords. You are becoming very practical in the coming future, Sagittarius. It looks like your emotional feelings and everything you have dumped in the past only, and well, you knew that you couldn't change it, and that is why you are sitting back and relaxing as well. Prosperity and abundance, because you knew that this person or this situation cannot be handled. You understood somewhere, because if the separation has happened, it happened not just like that. There was something. That is why Tower moment came, and that is why the separation happened. These things never happen by itself. Never. Wow. So that is why I see that you are celebrating in the coming future. You are more serious. You have become more mature in the coming future, and you are not that kind of a person who will just sit back and cry for something. No, you are not like that. That is why prosperity and abundance is here for you. Okay, that means you are already moved on from it. It was pain, yes, but at least it helped you move on, to become a better version of yourself. Okay, and you are still searching for something new. That might be a new person in your life, or might be a big breakthrough in your life. You are waiting for that situation, and I think that you will achieve it, because you have the potential, you have everything. So you will meet the best person of your life, or the best situation of your life. You will experience it. Okay, so let's clarify your cards. Let's clarify the cards for my Sagittarius. Why the 7 of Pentacles is here in the reading? Knight of Cups. Yeah, you are waiting for somebody to come and love you. You are waiting for somebody. So this is your energy, Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is the energy of Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. This is your energy, Sagittarius, Leo, and Aries. So I feel that you are waiting for the perfect time. You are waiting for a person to come and might propose you, or you are just waiting for a proposal to come from a person, because there is a new beginning as well. So I feel that you might have met someone new. So you have moved on from the past, you have moved towards something better in the coming future. You in the present also, you have met this person, and you are waiting for that proposal, and you are waiting for this person to come towards you and propose you. You are in a very good state, Sagittarius. The things which happened in the past, you knew that you couldn't change it, so that is why you just left it over there. What else do we want to know about the past issues? What else? Okay, so 9 of Pentacles with the 7 of Wands. Yeah, this person is no longer in your life, or the situation is ended. You are feeling free, and you are feeling that whatever happened, it happened for good. You know that, and that is why at least you are not in that state of overthinking about that person again and again. You have made peace with that situation of the past. That is what is coming. Let's see your present energies for my Sagittarius. 2 of Cups, 5 of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. Why are these here? 5 of Swords and the Ace of Cups. Yeah. Okay. So, well, there is some kind of, so you were happy that this person left you, or you left this person, whatever happened. You are not no more in contact with that situation anymore. But still in the present, it is affecting you a little, you know, in your mind. You might be you might be meeting some people who might be talking about the same situation, you know, same past. Might be this happened, this ended from your heart, but still with people around you, you know, gossiping and everything. People are putting thoughts in your mind where you want to start a new relationship, where you are entering into something new, and people are just talking again. Things are coming again, like you might be getting some dreams about the same person, something like that. Okay, so in the coming future, what is there? 6 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups, and the King of Swords. So what's there in the coming future? 9 of Cups and the 6 of Wands. Wow. So you are showing gratitude towards the situation, whatever happened. I'm seeing that you are showing gratitude, you are happy, you are grateful, and you are feeling content about it. You are feeling victorious, you are successful. So this is all because of your mind. Your mind has accepted whatever happened. That is why things will prosper. You will get prosperity and abundance. This is the reason this card has come. Okay, so that is all from my side, Sagittarius. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.